Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enter journals in Fusion GL. So navigate to under General Accounting, click on Journals. So you should have the General Accounting role in order to enter journals. Any of the GL roles. So says change the data access. So I have access to multiple data access sets or multiple primary ledger. So let me select my ledger. Reliance INR ledger is my ledger. Okay. Now I am under Reliance INR ledger. I need to click on this journal. Let me navigate to this create journal. Okay. So this is where you need to enter the journal batch name. So I'll just, which is optional, but let me just enter journal batch name test journal batch 1, and let me enter the description test journal batch 1 description again, which is optional. So here you can see the journals which are created manually from this screen will have the default source of manual, and here you can see approval status is not required because we have not enabled approval for this particular journal source. If you enable the approval for this particular journal source, then approval status will become required and you will not be able to post the journal entry unless and until the journal entry is approved. So in the current scenario, approval is not required. Once I complete the entering of the journal, I'll show you the screen where you can set this uh, approval status for a journal source. Okay. And accounting period, it's defaulting to the current accounting period based on the date. So let me try to select July because I don't think so I have opened August period. So let me select July, and journal name test journal 1. This is my default ledger. This is the accounting date. This is the journal category. This is the default currencies. So the default currency will be the functional currency of this particular ledger. If you want, you can change it to the any other foreign currency. But if you enter any foreign currency, then you need to ensure that you have the required conversion rates available in the system, or you can even go for the conversion rate type of user and enter your own exchange rates. And this is the journal lines. So let me enter a journal, maybe debiting a expense account and crediting say cash account. And then expense account. I do not remember the segment value, so I'm searching with the description. Salaries account, and intercompany segment will be 000. Search. So this combination does not exist. So as combination does not exist, the system has automatically created the combination. So debit this with say 25,000 rupees, and then credit say 010 company code, cost center 0000, uh, cash account, and then intercompany segment of 000. Again search for this. If it exists, it will be it will show that, and it will pick that existing combination. Otherwise, it will create the new combination. And this is the optional journal line description. I'm not entering any journal line description. So as far as the different fields in the screen is concerned, it's more or less equivalent to whatever we have seen in eBusiness Suite. No major changes. Only one extra change. The extra field which you can see here is the complete status. We do not have a concept of complete in eBusiness Suite, but here we have a concept of save, complete, and then post. So when you save the journal entry and do not complete that, here you can see the journal entry is saved, last saved, and the completion status is incomplete. So the significance of this complete status is, as long as the journal is in an incomplete status, if you have any automatic posting programs which are scheduled, those programs will not pick up this particular journal entries. So the condition for the automatic posting program in order to pick up a journal is the journal should be in a complete status. If it is an incomplete status, it will not be picked up. So one of the practical business scenarios where this is used is like a user can enter a journal entry, a very maybe for say 100 lines, but he is waiting for some additional information from some other users to add maybe a couple of more lines in the same journal. So in those cases, he can just create the journal entry, save it, and maybe close the screen. And if there is any automatic posting program which are scheduled in the background, maybe after a couple of hours, those programs will not pick up that particular journal entry. But whereas in the case of eBusiness Suite, we do not have that such kind of functionality. As long as the journal entry is saved, the journal will be picked up by your automatic posting program. Of course, these scenarios work in the case of approval status is set as not required. If you set the approval status as required, then obviously even though journal entry is saved, if the journal entry is not approved, then system will not allow the journal to be posted, whether it's an eBusiness Suite or in Fuchsia. Okay, so now it's in incomplete status. I can click on complete button and then post, or I can directly click on post. When if I directly click on post, then automatically it'll be complete. So let me post this journal. You can see your process number so and so has been submitted. So concurrent request got triggered in the background. So here you can see completion status is complete and batch status is selected for posting. And this is my journal, right? So you can go to the schedule process and check if request ID is completed, or you can just wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then require the journal batch to check the posting status. Refresh. So post journals for single journal, I think it's still not completed. It's in past status. Yeah, now it's running. Yeah, it succeeded. Now we can very well query for our journal. It should be in posted status. Manage journals, and then journal batch. This is my journal batch name. Then change the accounting period to July, and then search. So this is the journal. Click on this hyperlink, which will take us to the journal batch screen. Here you can see the batch status is posted, and here you can see the activity of for the particular account. So it shows the beginning balance for this particular account code combination is 0, and the activity for the period is $25,000. So this is the account code combination which do not have balance in the previous period, and hence the beginning balance is 0, and the activity for the period is 25,000 rupees, which is what I have entered in this journal. Okay, and also if you click on say view T accounts, you'll be able to see the journal entry in T form. where your salaries account is debited and your cash account is credited. The form is your ledger form. Okay, so this is how you create a journal entry and post a journal entry. And now I'll show you the screen where you set the upload status. So you need to go to manage journal sources, so which is setup and maintenance. Then manage implementation project. Search for my project, which is ARV. And then once I'm in my project, I can just query for my task. The task is manage journal sources. Manage journal sources, go to task. And if I search for the journal source manual, so here you can see the required journal approval is not ticked. So if I take this particular journal, required journal approval and save this, then all my future journal, whatever I have entered from this front-end screen, will ask for the journal approval. Only once the journal is approved, then system will allow the journal entry to be posted. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle Financials, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.